The Pennsylvania Breast Cancer Coalition has been around for 30 years, and it includes people who are shaping the future of breast cancer screenings, treatment, and for survivors.
Fox 43's Sarah Williams joins us now live from Harrisburg with details on the celebration and acknowledgments that are taking place today. Good morning, Sarah.
Good morning. So yes, the 30th annual anniversary for Pennsylvania Breast Cancer Coalition is underway, and they are recognizing people who share their courage, advocate for women's health, and even discover breast cancer research. Now, I want to introduce you guys to one person I met a couple of minutes ago. She's Tammy Miller. She's a breast cancer survivor. Tammy, can you tell me, why is this cancer conference so important, and what has it done for you?
Well, it's so important because it brings everybody together. You know, we're all on this journey together, and I think it's important for people to understand that when you get that diagnosis, your whole world is spinning out of control. And the Pennsylvania Breast Cancer Coalition is a place to bring all of that together. We have a lot of resources, a lot of educational sessions, and just a welcoming that you're a part of a family now that will do anything they possibly can for you. Just tell us what you need. And it's really important that we're back together. We're all excited about being back together again. So it's just like a big pink party.
Okay, so tell me, I know you're a breast cancer survivor. Do you mind sharing a little bit of your story?
No, not at all. So I was in my early 40s, which of course was just yesterday, and I thought there was something going on. I wasn't sure, went to the doctor, and they said, oh, I don't think it's anything. But fortunately, we pushed for a mammogram, and that's when they found breast cancer. And it was a shock, not in my family. It wasn't history, anything like that. So at that point, my world was spinning out of control. And it was a situation where I'm like, okay, now what do I do? But I realized that you're in charge of your own attitude. I couldn't change what happened, but I could change how I respond. And when more people realize that, it's empowering to go out there and realize I can control how I respond to what's happening to me.
Okay, so we were talking and you said that there are so many resources here. Pink is a pretty color, but there's a reasoning behind this. Anything you want to tell our audience when it comes to breast cancer screening and awareness or anything like that?
Yes, and there's a lot of really great programs within the Pennsylvania Breast Cancer Coalition. So reach out, reach out. They have a program called Friends Like Me, which is one of my favorites, and that's for newly diagnosed. They send you a packet of information, a book, and all kinds of good information just to say, what do you need? We're here for you. So definitely reach out to the Pennsylvania Breast Cancer Coalition and find out what those resources are and let us know what you need, because your needs might be different from the others.
All right. Well, thank you so much for your time. I really do appreciate it.
Thank you so much for being here.
Of course, of course. So listen, the Pennsylvania Breast Cancer Coalition conference kicked off at 7:30, but listen, they are still welcoming people in. The registration's $30 and it's free to healthcare heroes, as well as nurses and social workers who need a credit for their classes. So information and details can be found on our website at fox43.com. But for now, in Harrisburg, Sarah Williams, Fox 43 News.